Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the tailgate and remove the access panel to reach the nuts. Start by clearing any cargo and laying a towel to protect paint around the housing. Locate the two nuts visible inside the access cavity and use a 10 mm socket to remove the two nuts securing the tail light assembly. Support the assembly with one hand as you slide it out gently from the body seam. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight out. Then set the assembly on a towel. If replacing a bulb, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it out. Inspect the socket for corrosion and wipe contacts with a clean rag if needed. Use dielectric grease sparingly on terminals. Install the new bulb rated for the Tacoma and avoid touching the glass with bare hands to prevent hot spot failure. If replacing the whole assembly, align tabs and seat it before reinstalling nuts, ensuring the gasket sits flush against the body to prevent water intrusion, and reinstall the two 10 mm nuts and snug them with a 10 mm socket while keeping the assembly seated in its body pocket. Tighten nuts to about 4 Nm or finger tight plus a quarter turn to avoid cracking the plastic. Avoid over-torquing. Reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks, then cycle the brake, tail, and turn signals to confirm correct operation and proper brightness. If lights work, replace the access panel, stow tools, and conduct a final visual check for gaps, alignment, and any water seals before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.